So this is a test of the VoiceThread system and the presentation, and this would be my VoiceThread final presentation of everything that I've learned in the BOLS program and my unit and what's happened or how this has happened, and moving forward. So skills that I learned from the BOLS program are one of the main things was the fundamentals of learner interaction, and that would be like here where we have the learner to learner interaction, where even though students are on working virtually, their interaction with each other is essential. So getting programs together like Flipgrid, discussion boards, make that virtual system, their virtual learning, more personable and then more engaging. I also learned about the importance of the learner to teacher or learner to instructor, blah blah blah. Okay, that's the test.